expressing concentration of a solution. Composition of a solution can be described by expressing its concentration. Concentration of a solution may be defined as the amount of solute present in the given quantity of the solution. There are two ways of expressing the concentration of a solution. One, that is qualitative, another one is quantitative way of expressing the concentration. Coming to the qualitative aspect, concentration of a solution qualitatively, it can be expressed in two ways. One is dilute solution, another one is concentrated solution. In a dilute solution, if the amount of solute is present in a lesser quantity, then it is called dilute. For example, 2% of ethanol. If the amount of solute is present in a large quantity, then it is known as concentrated solution. For example, 90% of ethanol. It means that 90 ml of a ethanol is present in 100 ml of the solution or 10 ml of water. This is concentrated and this is 2%, it is known as dilute. Coming to quantitative aspect, how the concentration of a solution it can be expressed. There are different methods that are used to express the concentration of a solution. Among them the few important methods now we will go through. The first one is mass percentage. So many examples you come across while defining the mass percentage. It is also known as weight by weight percentage. What is that weight by weight percentage? The mass percentage of a component in a given solution is mass of a component per 100 gram of the solution. That means mass percentage of component, it is given by mass of component of a particular component divided by total mass of the solution. That is multiplied by 100, mass of a particular component to the total mass of the solution. Let us take a binary solution which consists of two components A and B. Let WA be the weight of a component A and WB be the weight of the component B. Suppose if you are calculating mass of a component A, that is given by WA divided by WA plus WB into 100. This is nothing but the percentage by mass of a component A. In the same way, even we can calculate percentage by mass of a component B also. For example, 5% of sodium chloride. You can define this one in terms of weight by weight. It means that 5 gram of sodium chloride is present in 100 gram of the solution or 95 gram of the water. Coming to the second type, that is known as volume percentage. Where in this volume percentage, you know that the volume of the component per 100 volume of the given solution. Here too also again a binary solution I will take. It consists of two components A and B. VA and VB represent volume of A component and volume of B component. According to the definition, percentage by volume of a component A, that is given by VA divided by VA plus VB into 100. This is how we are expressing volume percentage. Just example. So 5% of ethanol. How we are defining means 5 ml of ethanol is present in 100 ml of the solution or 95 ml of the water.